Tired of manual Excel data entry slowing down your Business Central workflows? Meet MDC Import, the fully automated, secure, and traceable solution for bringing external data directly into your ERP. Built on modern cloud infrastructure, MDC Import uses a serverless Azure Function Bridge. Your files are staged securely in Azure Blob Storage, completely decoupled from standard Business Central routines to maximize scalability and network safety. Configuration is incredibly intuitive. Without writing any custom code, you can map spreadsheet columns directly to target tables using our visual interface. Need to translate external vendor terms? The built-in field value mappings handle it on the fly. We protect your ledger's integrity from the start. Strict structural safeguards automatically reject workbooks containing hidden formulas. Once imported, customizable editing limitations ensure that your automated records cannot be manually tampered with or deleted by standard users. Set it and forget it. A single click provisions your background job queue for hands-free daily imports. And if an anomaly occurs, an instant deep link email notification routes your administrative team straight to the exact cell-level error for immediate resolution. MDC Import is the automation app for Business Central. Try the app now for free for 30 days. Find it on AppSource.